खुश रहो बिटिया। दिस इज जेवीएन डॉक्टर ब्रजराज सिंह चौहान, एसोसिएट प्रोफेसर, ज्योति विद्यापीठ, वोमेंस यूनिवर्सिटी जयपुर। प्रोग्राम इज बीएससी बीएड पीसीएम फिफ्थ सेम and course is multivariate calculus and vector differentiation, and session of today is numerical problem on uh, integration. So here is a line integration or curve integration. Example of curve integration is find the area bounded by the parabola y square is equal to 4ax and its lattice rectum. हमें एरिया फाइंड करना है पैराबोला वाई स्क्वायर यूजिकल टू 4ax। ये आपके सामने पैराबोला का इक्वेशन है और इसका लेटस रेक्टम L टू L डैश, इन दोनों से इनक्लोज्ड जो एरिया है उस एरिया को फाइंड आउट करना है। तो एरिया को फाइंड आउट हम इंटीग्रेशन की हेल्प से करते हैं कि इंटीग्रेशन में जो भी कर्व है जिनसे एनक्लोज्ड एरिया है उस समूचे एरिया को इंटीग्रेशन के दौरान हम फाइंड कर सकते हैं। सो द वर्टेक्स ऑफ द गिवन पैराबोला वाई स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू 4ax इज इक्वल टू is the origin O, focus S and LS L dash the lattice rectum of this parabola. We have to find the area LOL L dash. इस एरिया का हमको एरिया फाइंड करना है। द पैराबोला इज ए सिमेट्रिकल अबाउट द एक्स एक्सिस सो दैट area of LOL dash L is equal to 2 into area of OLSO. It is because here symmetric figure, so we have find the area of half and double it, so area is all the covered region. The coordinate of focus S of the given parabola are A0, therefore the area OLSO is bounded by the arc OPL of the parabola and x axis, and the coordinate x is equal to 0 and x is equal to a. यहाँ पर हम देखेंगे x हमारा कहाँ से कहाँ तक वेरी कर रहा है। ओरिजिन O टू A0 तक, A0 जो लेटस रेक्टम ये यहाँ से पास करता है पॉइंट S से, हाँ तो इसकी लिमिट 0 टू A तक हो जाएगी। फाइंड द एरिया OLSO y इज पॉजिटिव सो दैट y स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू 4ax एंड y इज इक्वल टू रूट ऑफ 4ax इज इक्वल टू 2 रूट a रूट x. नाउ टेक द एलिमेंट्री वर्टिकल स्ट्रिप ऑफ द लेंथ y. टेकिंग वर्टिकल स्ट्रिप्स, the foot of strip is on the x-axis and vertex is at the point P. It is the parallel to the y-axis. This taking this strip varies from O to S. This is varies from O to S and covered the all area above the x-axis. The area bounded by the given parabola and its lattice rectum is equal to 2 area of OLSO. 2 into limit from 0 to a x, limit of x is equal to 0 to upper limit a y into dx. So y is equal to under root 4ax and 2 under root a under root x. So putting the value of y at the place of y, we get 2 into 0 to a 2 under root x. 2 taking common and 2 become 4 outside the integration, and a root a is also constant, so again taking outside the integration, and outside integration total constant is 4 root a, and integration limit 0 to a, and under root x is expressed as the x to the power 1 by 2 dx. So integrating x to the power 1 by 2, here integration of x to the power 1 by 2 will be x to the power 1 by 2 plus 1 upon 1/2 plus 1, 1/2 plus 1 is equal to 3/2. So x to the power is 3/2 and denominator again 3/2. So denominator 3/2, whenever it solve, it gives the 2/3 on above, and it become the 8/3, and root a, value of upper limit at the place of x is equal to a to the power 3/2, and when putting the value of x0 at the place of x to the power 3/2, it gives 0. So 8 root a upon 3 a to the power 3/2 minus 0. So it is equal to the 8 root a upon 3 into a into root a. After multiplying root a into root a, complete a, and again 1a more multiplied these, it gives the a square and 8/3. So total area of this covered region is 8/3 a square unit. So I hope you all are satisfied with this session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it very soon. Thank you very much. See you.